It all starts with wheat growing tall and golden in the fields. Farmers take good care of it until it's ready to be harvested. When the wheat is just right, farmers use big machines to harvest it, collecting all those little grains. Next, the wheat goes to a mill. Here, it gets ground up into a soft powder called flour. At the bakery, the flour is mixed with water, salt, and a magical ingredient called yeast. Then the baker kneads the dough to make it soft and stretchy. After kneading, the dough needs to rest and rise. It grows puffy and big as the yeast does its job. The dough goes into the oven, where it bakes into a delicious golden brown loaf. When the bread cools, it's sliced, packed, and sent to stores. Now it's ready for breakfast toast, sandwiches, and snacks. Yum! From field to slice, wheat makes a tasty journey. Next time you eat bread, you'll know the story behind each bite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support helps us. Your support helps us bring more exciting content your way.